Palmier, to accompany with a cup of coffee. This recipe is fantastic and super easy. Mix the sugar with the cinnamon. Spread on butter paper. Take the puff pastry and stretch over the cinnamon end. Place more cinnamon over it. Now I will open with my mini roll. Now you're going to roll it this way, joining the two parts. Now we put in one plastic. And take it in the freezer for 20 minutes. We take it out of the freezer and start cutting. First, we cut the ends so that they are all. Listen, now let's cut the root of a finger, each row. We distribute in the form, leaving one space between them. After all, they will grow a lot. Already puts in the comments your city and what do you think of the recipe. We take the preheated oven to 180 degrees for 18 minutes. See how beautiful they grow. Ready. I can't wait to eat with my cup of coffee. Let's put it on the net to cool down faster. Is there wonderful Palmier recipe? I don't think you knew this one in. Subscribe to the channel and follow our recipes.